Pakistan's housing crisis. Origins, data, and pathways forward. Pakistan is confronting a severe housing deficit that jeopardizes urban progress, economic stability, and social welfare. A swiftly expanding population and significant rural-to-urban migration have created a situation where the need for homes drastically exceeds availability. Current estimates based on census data place the total housing shortage at approximately 20 million units. This issue disproportionately impacts low- and middle-income households. With the United Nations Human Settlements Program, UN Habitat, reporting that over 60% of the urban populace resides in informal or substandard dwellings. The origins of this shortage are linked to demographic, economic, and regulatory factors. The national population has grown to over 240 million, with an average annual growth rate of 2.4%. Urbanization is progressing at 3.4% per year, pushing millions towards cities like Karachi and Lahore. However, infrastructure and housing construction have not matched this pace. Karachi, for example, with over 16 million people, needs around 500,000 new homes, but only constructs 20,000 to 30,000 annually. Economic conditions worsen the problem. Soaring construction costs and limited affordable financing options place homeownership beyond the reach of most citizens. The State Bank of Pakistan notes that a mere 5% of people can access formal housing loans, with the average urban home costing over Pak rupees 5 million and the median monthly income below Pak rupees 30,000. Mortgages are unaffordable for the majority. Furthermore, land ownership disputes and bureaucratic inefficiencies obstruct large-scale development. Ambiguous land titles and speculative hoarding leave vast urban areas underused. Government initiatives, such as the Naya Pakistan Housing Program, have been plagued by delays and transparency issues, delivering fewer than 5,000 units against an initial goal of 500,000 units. The repercussions are profound. Overcrowding and poor sanitation in informal settlements or kachi abadis create public health hazards and social instability. In Lahore alone, more than 500,000 inhabitants of these areas lack clean water, reliable electricity, or proper sewage, which also contributes to low educational attainment and entrenched poverty. Addressing this crisis requires a comprehensive strategy. The government must elevate affordable housing as a national priority, increasing public investment and providing incentives for private developers. Reforming land and property laws is crucial to unlocking potential. This includes simplifying titling processes and digitizing records to enhance transparency. Expanding financial access is key, with banks encouraged to offer low-interest mortgages and microfinance institutions supporting incremental construction. Adopting modern building technologies like prefabrication can reduce costs and construction time by up to 50%. Urban planning must be updated to permit higher density and improved transit. Finally, ensuring community involvement in housing projects guarantees they meet actual needs and prevent displacement. In summary, resolving Pakistan's housing gap demands political resolve, institutional overhaul, and innovative approaches. Providing adequate housing is a fundamental human right and essential for